Hey guys, we've all seen the trendy mochi pancakes, so I wanted to make my own. These mochi pancakes are warm, chewy, and better than regular pancakes, so let's get started. Stone fruit is in season right now, so I picked up some great white nectarines at the farmer's market. I'm just going to slice them thin and mix it with a little bit of sugar and ginger, let them sit for 15 minutes, and they'll be ready to use. To make the batter, mix 120 grams of all-purpose flour, 100 grams of Mochiko sweet rice flour, 60 grams of glutinous rice flour, 10 grams of baking powder, 100 grams of sugar, and 4 grams of salt. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 eggs with 360 grams of milk. I'll leave a converted recipe in the info box, but you should be using grams for baking just because it's going to be more accurate. Then add in 40 grams of melted butter and 6 grams of vanilla extract. In a non-stick pan over medium-low heat, add 4 ounces of pancake batter. Cook this until you see little bubbles start to pop up around the pancake and the edges start to get a little bit cooked. Flip it over and you should have a nice golden brown pancake. To top off the pancakes, I'm going to make some fresh whipped cream with 50 grams of sugar, 220 grams of heavy cream, and whisk to medium peaks. And here you go! Fresh mochi pancakes, white nectarines, and whipped cream. Leave a comment below if there is something you would like to see in a video. If you haven't already, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram at A Chef and a Spoon. See you next week.